Confused about when to use a semicolon and when to use a period? In this video, we'll break down the rules for you and explain the difference between these two punctuations. Use a period after writing a complete sentence. A complete sentence always follows two rules. First, it should have a subject and a verb. But not just that, it should also express a complete thought. Let's look at some examples. Anna cooks. The students are investigating. These sentences have a subject and a verb and have a complete thought. When should we not end with a period? We should not end with a period if the sentence is an incomplete thought. For example, he wants, although she was tired. Notice that these two examples follow rule number 1. They have a subject and a verb, but they do not express a complete thought. They leave the readers hanging. In this case, we don't end it with a period. Now, what are semicolons and how is it different from a period? Generally, periods separate two complete sentences. Semicolons connect them. Semicolons tell your reader that the two sentences on either side are part of the same idea. Here are 3 simple rules to help you use a semicolon correctly. Rule number 1. Use a semicolon to join two complete sentences with similar ideas connected by cause and effect, contrast, or sequence. Here are some examples. I have an exam tomorrow. I cannot go out tonight. The train was delayed. I missed my meeting. I ate too much. Now I feel sick. To check if you use the semicolon correctly, make sure that the two sentences have both a subject and a verb and express a complete thought. If not, use a comma instead. Rule number 2. Use a semicolon to separate items in a list if the items are long or have commas within them. For example, he went to a restaurant in Los Angeles, a club in Miami, Florida, and a park in Austin, Texas. Rule number 3. Use a semicolon when joining two sentences that have a conjunctive adverb in the middle. Conjunctive adverbs include however, therefore, furthermore, moreover. Here are some examples. I really wanted to go. However, I had to finish my homework first. She was exhausted. Therefore, she decided to take a break. Knowing the right punctuation to use in your sentences is just one of the basic steps to improve your flow of writing. But if you want to bring your writing skills to the next level, this playlist here has quick and easy tutorials that will make you write like a pro.